everybody, cooking in the kitchen with Sylvia again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, quick guacamole recipe. Okay, I know a lot of people have been asking about how to make guacamole. There's several versions, but I'm going to show you how I do mine. Of course, you're going to need some guacamoles, the avocados for the guacamole, and they should be soft, not so soft and mushy, but just, you know, soft enough to your touch. If they're still hard and you don't think that they're ripe, you can leave them out for a day or two and they will ripen. They will not ripen in the refrigerator if they're hard, no matter how long you leave them there. So if you're going to use your avocados right away, get some that are just ripe, a little bit soft, not too soft, and that will work for your recipe. So we only need a couple of things. Of course, the avocados, I'm using 2. You need at least 1 lime. If you don't have lime, you can use about the juice of half a lemon. You need about half a cup of cilantro chopped, about a small onion or half a cup of onion, and a diced tomato. This is a Roman tomato that I diced. You'll need some salt, some garlic powder, some black pepper to season your guacamole. So of course the first thing we want to do is chop up our guacamole. And for those of you who aren't sure how to open the guacamole, the best way, the easiest way is to just slice it through, go around with your knife, and then give it a little twist, and there you open your guacamole. So to remove the pit, just tap it like this gently and you can pop it out. So that's the safest, easiest way to open your guacamole, your avocado, to get the meat out. So you just want to scoop it out with a spoon. In this recipe, you're going to chop the guacamole in small pieces. You can use a fork, you can use a knife, whatever is easier. Like I said, this recipe, these are avocados that are already getting a little soft. That's why I want to use them before they're not so fresh. These are still good. These are going to be seasoned and mixed with our ingredients, and your guacamole will come out just nice. Okay, so put that into your bowl, your mixing bowl. We're going to toss in our tomatoes. We're going to toss in our onions. If you don't want too many onions, you don't have to put all of them, but usually about half a cup is good. We're going to toss these first before I add our cilantro. And you just want to mix it all together. You can use red onion if you like, or you can just use a regular white onion. Yellow onion works too. You get the juice of 1 lime. If you roll your lime before you cut it, the juices come out a little easier. So just get yourself a spoon or a fork and squeeze out some of that lime juice. And it's okay if you get some of the pulp. It's not going to hurt it. This will, of course, keep your guacamole fresh. Usually I go with 1. I have 2 avocados in here, so 1 lime is good. Sometimes if you're just making a small portion and you're just making 1 avocado, you don't need to use the whole lime. Okay, so here we go. All that nice juice in there. We can go ahead and add a dash or 2 of some garlic powder. Just give it a little seasoning. You're going to taste it, so you'll know if you're going to need a little more. A little dash of pepper. And we want to add some salt. So just drizzle a little salt just to get you started. If we need more, we will do that along the way. So mix that up, get those juices in there. The lime juice, like I said, will keep your guacamole nice and fresh. Okay. Now we can toss in our cilantro. Just chop it up best way you can. It's not too hard to chop the cilantro. And cilantro is really refreshing. It has a very nice scent. It gives a lot of flavor to your guacamole. And this is a very simple recipe. Anybody can do this. If you don't want the tomatoes in there, you don't have to. You can just have the guacamole itself with a little bit of onions. The cilantro, of course, is important because that's what gives it that freshness. Now you can take a little nibble just to make sure you have enough salt. Yeah, could use just a little dash more. The garlic powder is fine. You can also add a little more pepper if you want, but I can tell you just by tasting it, the lime juice and the cilantro gives it a good flavor. So here we go. We've got our simple guacamole recipe. I hope you have a chance to try this. Of course, this goes great with chips, corn chips, taquitos. You can use it for your potluck. Take it as a potluck. And you can also use it on your favorite Mexican dishes, like tacos, taquitos. And there you go. A simple guacamole recipe. I hope you get a chance to try this. And I'll catch you again. Bye-bye.